Hey guys, Daniel here of PinoyTechnoGuide.com, and this is my review of the Realme 10 smartphone. It comes in this black and yellow box with a free transparent phone case inside. I have here the Clash White color variant with its light particle design. Its back cover has a gradient color scheme, some light arcs, and a glittery pattern, while the two camera rings are neat and makes the device look sleek. It's a slim and light smartphone measuring 7.95mm only and weighing 178 grams. Its volume buttons and power button are on the right side. At the bottom are the 3.5mm audio jack, microphone, USB Type-C port, and loudspeaker. There's another microphone at the top, while the SIM card tray can be found at the left side. It can accommodate 2 nano SIM cards and a microSD memory card at the same time. The power button also functions as a fingerprint scanner, and it's fast and reliable. On the front of the Realme 10 is its 6.4-inch Full HD Super AMOLED display with a 90Hz screen refresh rate. It has a punch hole for the selfie camera, narrow bezels at the top and on both the right and left sides, while the chin is slightly more substantial. It's bright enough for outdoor use with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a customizable always-on display feature. It feels responsive to touches and swipes thanks to its high refresh rate. It has a pre-installed screen protector and a layer of Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for scratch protection. Here's how it looks like when watching YouTube videos or Netflix shows. It's powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 chipset with 8GB of RAM, Android 12 operating system, and the Realme UI version 3, which features several customization options. It has enough processing power for smooth performance in general tasks like opening apps, applying filters to pictures, scrolling across different social media apps, and switching between these different apps. It feels fluid and snappy to use with a few occasional hiccups. It scored 396,000 points on a AnTuTu benchmark, 574 points on the Geekbench 5 single core, and 1,763 points on the multi-core test. In terms of gaming performance, the Realme 10 is capable of running games like Mobile Legends at high or ultra graphics quality smoothly. There are some frame drops during clashes, but the gaming experience is good, especially with the Hyper Boost gaming engine enhancements. It can also run heavier games like Call of Duty Mobile and Genshin Impact, but the graphics quality is limited to medium and low respectively. The Realme 10 is equipped with dual rear cameras, a 50-megapixel main camera, and 2-megapixel depth camera. It can produce sharp pictures that look bright and detailed with vibrant colors. It's a fun smartphone to use as a point-and-shoot camera. Some pictures can look overly processed though, especially when zoomed in. Here are several sample pictures. It also has portrait mode with impressive bokeh effect that looks great when viewed on smartphones. However, imperfections in edge detection become obvious in larger screens. There's no ultra-wide camera, but low-light pictures look good. There's an auto night mode feature that can produce bright pictures at night in just 2 to 3 seconds. It can shoot up to Full HD or 1080p videos with decent quality, but there's no stabilization to make the videos look smooth. For selfies, there's a 16-megapixel camera on the front. It can produce good-looking selfies with several built-in filters and beautification effects. Selfie videos are also capped at 1080p resolution. It's a dual-SIM smartphone that can provide fast mobile internet speeds via 4G LTE networks. Sadly, it's not compatible with the faster 5G networks. There is support for dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth version 5.3. Its loudspeaker is also very useful for calls with its volume that can go up to 200%. However, I would have preferred a stereo loudspeaker system instead.
Hello, we come in peace. Come on, Drax. Seriously, dude?
A large 5000 mAh battery powers the Realme 10 smartphone. After a day of my normal use, it usually has around 35% of battery capacity left. When playing games continuously, it can last up to 7 hours before needing a recharge. Recharging the device to 100% battery capacity takes about 1 hour and 10 minutes, thanks to the 33-watt Super VOOC fast charging technology. The fast charger is already included in the box too. In conclusion, the Realme 10 is a sleek smartphone with good gaming performance, capable cameras even in low light, vibrant screen, long-lasting battery, and fast charging speed. However, it lacks 5G connectivity and an ultra-wide camera. It's a great choice when availed through the many discounted promotions, both online and in physical stores. It gets a thumbs up from me. So that's my review of the Realme 10 smartphone. Let me know your thoughts in the comments and see you guys in the next review.